How to see list of all people blocked on Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, and welcome to TikTok. If you have blocked multiple people on Facebook Messenger and you don't know where they are, then all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Messenger app. And then you will see this Messenger homepage. So on top left hand side of your screen, you will find this hamburger icon. So tap on it. And here on top right hand side of your screen, you will find this settings icon. So tap on it. Now scroll down. And here on preferences, somewhere you will find this option, privacy and safety. So tap on it. So now what you need to do is subscribe us for more helpful tutorials. So after doing that, scroll down again. And then you will find this option of blocked account. So tap on it. And here you will find all the person that you have blocked on Facebook Messenger. You will even find the date you have blocked that person on. So now if you want to unblock them, simply tap on their profile. And then on bottom of your screen, you will find this kind of pop-up. So tap on unblock. So before unblocking anyone on Facebook Messenger, you must remember that you can't block them for next 48 hours. So take a move wisely. Talking about the wise move, don't forget to subscribe us. So this is all you need to do to find all the accounts that you have blocked on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.